Compressor failures are often due to the lack of basic system maintenance. If a system is sized, installed, and commissioned properly, it should have a very long life if it is maintained properly. Homeowners can take 2 basic steps to ensure the health of their system. 1. Change the indoor filter every 1 to 3 months, depending on usage and factors such as pets and indoor cooking. And 2, ensure the outdoor unit isn't blocked by landscaping or debris such as grass clipping or leaves. These items are often overlooked and result in reduced airflow, which increases compressor pressures and temperatures, resulting in component wear and ultimately premature failure. In addition, regular maintenance should be performed by a licensed HVAC contractor, providing comprehensive evaluation of the system, including coil cleaning, ductwork inspection, and system vital sign assessment, including superheat, subcooling, and refrigerant charge. By adhering to regular maintenance, homeowners and contractors can work together to prolong the life of the compressor and ensure the health of the HVAC system.
For additional information, visit Copeland.com/AC Systems.